Hello students, today our topic is script analysis. In the concept of analysis, a person's life is just like a play or drama and script is the text of that play. Okay, तो हम क्या कह रहे हैं, पर्सनस लाइफ इज़ लाइक जस्ट ड्रामा. स्क्रिप्ट एनालिसिस की जब बात कर रहे हैं, स्क्रिप्ट इज़ द टेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्ले. A script is a complete plan of living, offering both structures, prescriptions, which make once the winner or loser in life. Shakespeare has rightly said that world is a stage, and men and women are merely the players. They have their own exists and entrances. Each man in his time plays many parts. Similarly, the scripts of human beings resemble with a play on the stage. It may be full of romance, a tragedy, a joyful comedy or a dull play. मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, मिक्सचर है, लाइक लाइफ में होता है. तो यहाँ पर भी हम यही बात कर रहे हैं. Similarly, the scripts of human beings resemble with a play on stage. It may be full एनी काइंड ऑफ, हम कह रहे हैं इमोशंस या फिर थॉट्स हो गया. अ पर्सन confronted with a particular situation acts according to his script, which is based on what is his expectation from his life. His script based action is on the two stages, the public stage and the private stage. In the public stage, a person plays the role as a public person in official and professional capacity on an open stage. ओके, तो पब्लिक स्टेज की बात कर रहे हैं हम, इन ऑफिशियल एंड प्रोफेशनल कैपेसिटी. अब इन प्राइवेट स्टेज द बिहेवियर ऑफ अ पर्सन इज डिफरेंट. हिज एक्शंस एंड डिसीजंस आर बेस्ड ऑन हिज सोशल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ. जब पब्लिक स्टेज की बात कह रहे हैं तो ऑफिशियल एंड प्रोफेशनल हो गया, और प्राइवेट स्टेज की बात कह रहे हैं तो एक्शंस एंड डिसीजंस है, सोशल और पर्सनल लाइफ की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं. Then script analysis enables the manager to know about life plans of the employees so that he can help in realizing those plans and creating favorable situations for such people. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा स्क्रिप्ट एनालिसिस. नेक्स्ट वन इज गेम एनालिसिस. In simple words, the behavior characterized by deceit is called game. On getting the various types of strokes in different spheres of life, people may indulge in playing psychological games. These psychological games prevent people and organizations to become winners. According to James and Johnny Ward, गेम्स की क्या डेफिनेशन दे रहे हैं. गेम्स प्रिवेंट ऑनेस्ट, इंटीमेट एंड एट पार relationship between players. Yet people play them because they fill up time, provoke attention, reinforce early opinions about self and others, and fulfill a self of destiny. In psychological games, the transactions are likely to be repeated, and these transactions are generally ulterior. These games, in fact, reflect the feelings of non unity. Although these games have many adverse effects, yet people still play psychological games in the organization due to the following reasons. People play these games in order to reduce and control intimacy, as they are afraid of openness, accountability, and responsibility in relationship. These games bring annoyance among people and finally intimacy is reduced. तो यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि कंट्रोल इंटीमेसी को करना है. Then second one is all the people want to get positive strokes on the jobs, but when they are not able to get these strokes from others, then in order to satisfy their needs for positive strokes they play games. Okay, होता ना कई बार कि अगर कि हम पॉजिटिव वाइब्स लेना चाहते हैं, लाइक अगर कोई अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है तो हम अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, और नहीं मिलता तो उसके लिए गेम्स प्ले करना की जाती है. To satisfy their needs for positive strokes they play games. Okay. Next one is in order to strengthen the life positions held by the people they play psychological games. If a person does not have an okay position, then he tries to emphasize it through a game kick me, a play which provokes someone else to put down response and consequently improves his position. अब एरिक बर्न ने क्या कहा है, अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट है, एक्सप्लेन 3 टाइप्स ऑफ गेम्स. फर्स्ट वन इज अ फर्स्ट डिग्री गेम. दिस इज वन विच इज सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल इन द एज एंड सर्कल. तो फर्स्ट डिग्री गेम हो गया. सेकेंड है, इसको सेकेंड डिग्री गेम में क्या आ जाएगा, इज वन फ्रॉम विच नो irremediable damages occur, but there is a concealment from the public. A third degree game है is one which is played for keeps and ends in surgery of the court. तो तीन टाइप की देखो ये गेम्स हो गए. फिर the quality, intensity and approach of these games differ from person to person depending upon a person's ego state in which he exists. It is found that generally these game players assume any one of these 3 basic roles: prosecutor, victims, rescuers. ये गर्ल्स प्लीज थोड़ा सा आराम से बोल लोगी, पहले भी मैंने बोला है ना. तो फर्स्ट वन इज prosecutor. These people are autocratic and they misuse their authority, status and position. They want to be the winner by making losses to others. Second one is victims. They are the losers or aggrieved people. They feel injustice of being discriminated. They hurt themselves, feel helpless and confused. तो ये हो गया दो हमने किया है टाइप्स, रोल्स कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर. थर्ड वन इज रेस्क्यूअर्स. दीज पीपल give the helping hand to others and keep them dependent. They rescue the people from different situations, but their real interest lies in the fact that victims should keep on playing the role of victim so that they could keep on playing the role as rescuers. Then practically it is found that these roles are not independent, rather the players of psychological games offer switch back or forward in their roles. It is also true that such games bring very harmful results for the organizations. A bitter relation between superiors and subordinates pushes the organization towards the path of failure. Okay, तो ये नेक्स्ट करेंगे हम लाइफ पोजीशंस. थैंक यू.